Yeah. Draining. Going better. So much, wow. Good idea to be prepared for one of those.
Not really for this, but just for something else.
Yeah, I know. It works. Wow. Good job. News reporting.
Come here.
Oh yeah, we gotta take a group photo. We survived Hurricane Irma Part 1. Look, someone's about to leave their house right now. At least the water's going down. Going down.
Sebastian's doing a selfie film.
These people are about to leave their house.
Be safe.
I think they're probably just driving around all the time.
Okay, people.
Okay, everyone turn around.
Okay,
I gotta make sure I'm in both pictures. Come on, just one more.
Oh, hey, come on, your brother is here.
Come on, don't be a party pooper.
Come on, let's take a photo. And,
Gotta be in a photo with you. And after that's over, I have to go to
Boys in their pictures. Uh-oh, you found your grill.
Yeah, that's probably from.
Yep.
Probably just stick that inside. Probably just stick that inside so it doesn't fly around.
let me put it in the back.
Very much.
Oh
Thank
yeah,
you.
put it in the back of the truck. Thank you. Right here in the front of the car.
It was all the way down the street. They drained the whole street, wow. They drained the whole street. Hey, you got a bag? Yeah, go get one. Dan, bring a bag. Sí, todo bien. Wow.
Bye, Dave. Yeah. One.
That was pretty quick. That was pretty quick, wow.
Right?
Good work. Very impressive. the whole street. Huh? Wow, such good work. Everyone's freaking drained the damn road. That's so crazy.
We need chocolate!
Get inside, boys. Get inside, boys. Just wait until we have to. God damn. I'm okay. I see this then.
I'm gonna bring the car again, but
Why? No, leave it. No, they won't. Papá es un huracán. Déjalo. Fuck them. It parked. It perfectly parked right on the side of the road over there. It parked in a perfectly illegal spot during the hurricane. Everyone got the fuck out. Everyone said, I'm going inside.